What if I told you that you could start making money online with just 2 free tools, Canva and ChatGPT? No experience, no camera, no problem. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these tools to start earning real income from your laptop, or even your phone. Stay to the end because I'll reveal 3 platforms where you can start making money today. Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're looking for smart, simple ways to earn money online, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a powerful combo, Canva and ChatGPT, and how they can help you build digital products, sell services, and start an online business. Even if you're a complete beginner, let's get into it. First, what are these tools? Canva is a free graphic design platform that lets you create stunning visuals, social media posts, ebooks, presentations, and more, without needing design skills. ChatGPT is an AI tool that helps you write content, brainstorm ideas, create scripts, emails, and even product descriptions. When you combine these two, magic. You can create and sell digital products, offer freelance services, or even start your own content brand. Open ChatGPT and type. Create a 10-page guide on your topic. For example, how to start a side hustle. Boom! ChatGPT gives you content in seconds. Copy that into Canva, add beautiful visuals, icons, and a cover page. Export as a PDF and sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip. Pro tip: use Canva's ebook templates to make your product look professional fast. Small businesses and influencers are always looking for content templates. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas like 30 content ideas for a fitness brand. Then head to Canva and create matching templates for Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. List them on Etsy or Creative Market. People pay for ready-made templates they can just drag and drop. Become a one-person content agency using AI and Canva. Offer services like social media management, blog writing with graphics, and email newsletters. Use ChatGPT to write the copy. Use Canva to design the visuals. Then promote your gig on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups. Pro tip: you can offer content bundles, like 10 Instagram posts with captions, using this combo. Let's build a quick digital product together. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me a 7-day self-care plan with daily tips." Step 2. Copy that into Canva using an ebook or planner template. Step 3. Customize the fonts, colors, and add your logo. Step 4. Export as a PDF and upload it to Gumroad or Etsy. You now have a product that can sell again and again, even while you sleep. Here are 3 platforms where you can sell your Canva and ChatGPT creations. Etsy for ebooks, planners, and social templates. Fiverr for offering services like content creation or design, and Gumroad for selling digital downloads, courses, or templates. Start with just one platform and one niche. Once you make your first sale, the motivation kicks in. So now you know, with just Canva and ChatGPT, you can build an income stream from home starting today. No coding, no budget, just creativity and action. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,